physics perspective, sound is a very fundamental basic phenomenon. There's an impact, and this impact derives from a force. So there's a force, and this force creates an impact, and this impact creates a vibration, and this vibration creates an intensity, and this intensity propagates as a collision of air molecules throughout nature, and it propagates and it expands.
I feel like I've embodied or encompassed every facet of sound, not just from a linguistic perspective or for physics perspective, but from a music perspective, because the physics of sound has absolutely nothing to do with the musical aspect of sound, because the musical aspect of sound deals with chromatic scale emerges, and the force creates an impact and vibrates. Energy emerges and vibrates, and then it propagates at, let's say, around 700 plus miles an hour.